All right, so let me see if I can say this name correctly because I practiced 15 times before the show.
Go ahead, try.
Tai Teo.
You got it.
He and his fake girlfriend.
Yes.
So we all know about this now, that he had this fake girlfriend that he met on Facebook.
Okay.
And first he said, was he involved with the hoax? And then found out he really wasn't until the very end. And now let me say the name of the guy that was posing as a fake girlfriend. Tuya Sosopo. And I'm going to say it one more time. And I think
Tuya Sosopo?
Tuya Sosopo. So I think that's the name. So did you see on Dr. Phil?
I saw some of it, and it just was annoying, so I changed it.
Well,
it just felt ridiculous to me.
Yeah, well, I just watched the clip, and all right, so it was fascinating that he exactly sounded like a woman. Like,
yeah, that did surprise me, because I really did think there were some rumors about his cousin.
Yeah.
I really did think he had somebody doing the calls most of the time.
Yeah. I know, so that was pretty amazed by that.
Yeah.
And then it was, I think he should coach women on how to make a man fall in love with you, because
without ever having to see them.
Because that was pretty amazing.
No, it was. But, you know, to be fair, like, the guy's the dummy.
Yeah.
Manti. He's a complete idiot.
I mean,
like, how do you fall for that?
Yeah.
Like, you're a complete idiot.
I don't know. I mean, I guess he just saw the one hot photo on Facebook, and then
I've seen tons of hot photos on Facebook, and I don't fall in love with them. It's just like most people do. See a hot photo, they pleasure themselves to it and go about their business. But but also that's a good ringing endorsement of the great education system at Notre Dame. That they got this graduating linebacker. Good job, Notre Dame, educating our youth. Yeah, he carries on a love affair with a woman over a phone and internet for a year. Good job, Notre Dame.